Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. My name is Derek Ellison, and this will be my persuasive speech on why you should get the COVID-19 vaccine. Many people in the United States have already gotten vaccinated and are getting vaccinated today. And these COVID-19 vaccines are effective at keeping this virus at bay. If we as a community work together to stop the massive spread by getting vaccinated, we will all be much better off in the future. The three vaccines that are being used at the moment are the COVID mRNA vaccine, the viral vector vaccine, and the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. These vaccines are safe and effective, and many people in the US have already received the shots. These vaccines have undergone the most intensive safety monitoring US history has seen. And from the CDC Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, this vaccine has been the most effective in history of medicine, which has a 95% effectiveness in preventing COVID. These vaccines are also equally effective across a variety of different variables, such as age, gender, ethnicity, and body mass. Now, how the vaccine works is it provides instructions to the cells in our upper arms to make harmless proteins found on the surface of the virus that's caused by COVID-19. Then our immune system will recognize this spike protein does not belong in our body and will naturally produce the antibodies to bind to this protein. It may take a few weeks, but once a response to this protein is produced, our bodies can recognize the COVID-19 virus and we will eventually gain immunity, which will have our bodies fighting off the virus and keeping us healthy. Now, there are also some negative thoughts on this vaccine, and one being the CDC is giving the vaccine to people who are already immune to the virus because of natural immunity, which may last as long as vaccinated immunity. And when I mean natural immunity, I mean someone who has already received COVID-19 virus and has built these antibodies naturally to fight the virus off. The CDC is still giving these people the vaccine, which could lead to some issues later down on the road. People are also suffering from the side effects of this vaccine, such as swelling at the site of injection, which actually happened to my mom, and headaches, chills, and fever, which are not fun, and if you have experienced them, you know they are not fun and something you do not want to have to deal with. The Johnson & Johnson's vaccine was actually recently pulled due to a small portion of people who got the vaccine and ended up with blood clots. They then released the vaccine back to the public with the disclosure of, if you are under the years of 50 years old and a woman, you should heed caution before getting this vaccine. But other than that, these vaccines are pretty effective and work well. Now, in conclusion, COVID-19 has changed the way we live and affected the lives of so many people across the country and even worldwide. These vaccines are a way to keep your friends and families safe from getting injured from the virus and help to put an end to this awful epidemic. I encourage you and your family and friends to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.